time to open my very own bakery! Huh? Wow! Wow! I found it! This place is perfect! Time to make this place sparkle! Welcome to Bibi's Bakery! Let's make it sweet and colorful. Every great bakery needs a counter. Now the heart of the bakery. We need space for all the yummy treats. Let's make it the cutest bakery ever. Oh no, I forgot Granny's special recipe book. Granny's secret recipe. Let's do this right. Nice and soft, just like Granny said. This time, perfectly. Let's make them perfect little loaves. Now, time to bake magic! I wonder if Granny would be proud. Hello, is anyone there? I hope it's perfect. I hope it's perfect. Something smells delicious. Let's see if Granny's recipe works.
Wow! Wow! Everything smells amazing!
No! Welcome, everyone! The bakery is open! One warm bread, please. Here you go. Here you go. Don't worry, I'm here to help. One by one, please. Fresh batches coming right up. Happy customers. Wow. Time to rest. What a wonderful day. What a wonderful day of baking. Time to go home and rest. Don't forget to like, ding, and subscribe. Cha-ching! See you on my next adventure.